Hey guys, if you're getting the DDE Server Window error, especially when shutting down your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, try this simple trick to fix it. Right click on your taskbar, click on taskbar setting, and toggle off automatically hide the taskbar in desktop and tablet mode. Close the setting window and recheck the problem again. If the problem still persists, proceed to the next step. Press the Windows key, type CMD and run the command prompt as an administrator. Once it opens, you need to run the following 3 repair commands one by one in the correct order. So copy the first command from the video description box, paste it here and press enter to execute this command. This will scan the system image for any corruption issues. This is the next command, copy it from the description box, paste it here and press enter to run it. So let it finish. Finally, run the SFC scan using the third command. This scan will check for and repair any corrupted or missing system files, which can help resolve various system problems and improve stability in your system. So let it finish. Once all 3 commands are done, restart your PC and your problem should be gone. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.